It's that time again, back to school. And I could not be more excited to welcome each and every one of our brilliant students, our committed teachers, our principals and school leaders, and of course, our parents and guardians who remain the strongest partners in education. At the Ministry of Education, we're well advanced in our preparations for this new school year. Our goal is simple: to ensure that all our students can reach their full potential. And that is why the ministry works tirelessly to achieve better schools, better resources, and most importantly, better outcomes for our children. Here are some of the things that you can look forward to this academic year. Literacy remains the top priority of the ministry. We want all our children to be confident readers at their grade level. It is for that reason we have timetabled reading in schools for grades 1 to 3 across the country, and will also be providing more storybooks to our schools to help increase literacy outcomes. Like much of the world, we're seeing an increase in the number of children with special needs in our schools. As a result, we have taken steps to ensure support is available for assessments to identify and address special needs and learning gaps very early. We're also enhancing training, resources, and infrastructure to boost certification rates across our early childhood institutions. I am so happy to let you know that we will complete a new diagnostic center at CASE in Portland. As the number of special needs students is expected to rise, we are preemptively building out the diagnostic capacity to identify and support our children with special needs. At the secondary level, CSEC results showed notable gains in English and mathematics, reflecting the impact of our targeted interventions in our underperforming schools. We will do more math and English camps and deploy more specialist educators to support our children who need it most. We're also implementing the exciting new education management information system. This will enable real-time student monitoring and data-driven decisions so we can address issues like student absenteeism. I call on all school leaders to use the tools to transform how we lead, teach, and support our students. Another important area we're looking at is nutrition and well-being. We know that hungry children cannot learn. $9 billion is allocated to provide our children or needy children with a hot meal 5 days per week. For our children in underperforming schools, a separate $1 billion has been allocated to provide them with breakfast and lunch. We will also roll out our new national school nutrition policy that will raise the standards for school meals. We have also heard your cries regarding expensive and unsafe transportation for children in rural areas. I applaud the Ministry of Transport for its implementation of the rural school bus service. This will go a far way in providing safe, reliable, and affordable transportation for students in underserved rural areas. In the same breath, I would encourage every student and family to utilize the free JUTC and rural school bus system for the months of September and October. This year, we have made significant investments to enhance the teaching and learning environment. A total of $300 million has been spent purchasing new furniture, $100 million for termite treatment in schools, $400 million for the upgrading of existing TVET labs in collaboration with Heart NSTA Trust. We will also be providing much needed equipment for our biophysics and chemistry labs across the country. We're also continuing to upgrade our school infrastructure. $628 million is allocated for 202 schools this academic year. But my friends, education is not just about buildings, policies, or programs. It is about our children. Every child listening to me today, I want you to know that you have greatness inside of you. This school year, challenge yourself to give your best. Show respect to your teachers and classmates. Be disciplined, stay focused, and never let setbacks stop you. Teachers and principals, thank you so much for all that you do. Continue to lead with passion and vision. Your influence will last a lifetime. And parents, please remain engaged. Be present at PTA meetings, check homework, and encourage your children daily. When the home and school work together, our children will succeed. I am deeply proud of the progress we are making so we can improve the Jamaican education system for all. A Jamaica where every child, no matter where they are born, has the chance to learn, dream big, achieve, and contribute to national development. I wish every student, every teacher, every parent and guardian, every school board member, every member of the auxiliary and support staff, and every school community across Jamaica a successful and inspiring school year. God bless you all, and God bless Jamaica, land we love.